Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on the Google Play Store using Nokia 9 PureView. To do this, let's open our Google Play Store, and here if we try to find any game like Call of Duty, it's not available in the search results. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to your settings and enter family. Now go for parental controls, and here you can either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and we can go back to the search. And Call of Duty is right here, we can install the game. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.